Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these ice cream sandwich cookies. Before we get started, head over to my website, meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. So I've got some cookies already baked. To watch a video on how to bake these, click on the video above. So I've left them to cool completely and I'm going to put them to the side. I'm going to shape my ice cream. So I've got this cookie cutter, which is about the size of that, which is a great size. It just leaves a little bit of room on the sides, which is fantastic. So I'm going to put it on a plate, and I've got some ice cream that I took out of the freezer to melt a bit, which I'm going to scoop into there. You can use any ice cream of your choice, but I'm using vanilla. Quite high. So I'm going to take some out. I don't want it to be too high. I'm going to shape it as best as I can so that it fills the circle. Okay. Now this is going to go in the freezer to firm up. Okay, so this has been in the freezer. I'm just going to move it around to loosen it a bit, and then gently use a spatula to go around the edges. Okay, I'm going to get it out, and then bring my plate forward, get one of the cookies, place it upside down, use a spatula to lift up the ice cream, place it on there, and then the other cookie on top, and enjoy. You can put them, if you're making these in advance, you can actually make them like this. Find a container where you can put them in the freezer and then serve them. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.